Hey, what's up with YouTube? Thank you so much, and of course, welcome back to the channel. It's so great to see you all again. Anybody knows this is a lot it's a lot taller than last time, huh? Well, that's because that's seriously at work. I decided to pick up something very special. It is something special. It's something that's very dear to my heart and very close to my childhood, as this is what I grew up watching, and not that trash that they have on nowadays. I'm talking about the original Teen Titans. Now, this is how they used to look back when it was good. Okay? Okay, kids. Now, there ain't kids watching this. This is what you should be watching. Teen Titans Go. Hey, I said it once, I'll say it again. Teen Titans Go is nothing but trash. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. It should have never been made. This should have been made. In fact, this was made. But we should have another season of this. This is the good version. Where Teen Titans Go is a dumpster, belongs to be put into a garbage can. Supposed to be, whereas Teen Titans Go is supposed to be doused in lighter fluid, lit on fire, then put that into a trash can, put said trash can into a dumpster, then put said dumpster into a scrap heap, then send said scrap heap to the depths of Tartarus. So yeah, this is good. Teen Titans Go belongs in the depths of hell. Nevertheless, I digress. So just the other day I was thinking, it's been a while since it done. Just the other day, by just the other day, I mean like literally just yesterday. It's been a while since I did an opening video from anything I got in the mail. So I figured why not order some stuff so I can open it up on camera. Or I should say, so open up in a video. And I got something in the mail today from Amazon. Yay! Now I think I might know what this is because I ordered it just yesterday and since I had Prime, it got here very quickly. So tomorrow night around 9 or so, depending on what time I get home, there will be a review / opening video. Instead of the bulk one that's right here, so we'll use my knife to cut right through there, like so, and pull it out, and oh yeah, just what I thought it was. Okay, so these are very cool items because one, this is volume 4 of the Arc 5 manga, and this is a very special that I ordered. Oh, it's got tape. Of course it's got tape. Got tape. So what I got here is it's a model building kit. It's got nippers, files, X-Acto knives, tweezers, now who's wondering, why did I buy this? It's very simple. Because I ordered a gunpla. Or a Gundam plastic model kit. Now I have an X-Acto knife. Which you always keep sealed. Unless you're using it. Now me, I'm probably just going to be using the files and the nippers. So I'm keeping this sealed. Now, I wanted this because I already have volumes 1, 2, and 3 of the Arc 5 manga, and hello, it's got a Yugioh on the front. And Dark Intellion Dragon. Kind of wish this was the card inside, but it's not. It really does suck. Because with the Yugioh one, with Yugioh one, we got the dragon on that one, which I forget the name. It's like Fast Dragon or something. Like Clearwing Fast Dragon or something. But instead of this monster, the White Aura by Hamut. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a level 10 water entry fish type synchro monster. With their 300 attack and 3000 defense. And in fact, it reads like so. Need 1 synchro tuner monster, 1 non-tuner monster. During your turn, when this card is synchro summoned, switch to 1 divine dragon token, fish water, level 10, attack 3,000, attack 3,300, defense 3,000, in defense position once per opponent's turn. That's a weird typing. Weird wording. I guess that probably means that. Well, I guess since like this card was synchro on and it's on, and you just end your turn, then you can special summon a token. It's pretty cool, I guess. And if once per opponent's turn, while you control no tokens, quick effect, switch to 1 divine dragon token in this card. You control is destroyed by an opponent's card effect. It sends it to your graveyard while you control a divine dragon token. Switch to this card in defense mode. So that's a pretty good fact. So that's pretty good. The fact that you can special summon, the fact that you can trigger a token just. Whether you can tree a token. So yeah. So that's a pretty cool card. But they can tree a token to get back onto the field, but maybe they put in opponents by accident. But still, that's a pretty cool synchro monster. Will I use it? Probably not. Because, I mean, I have my own synchro monster in my deck. My Cyber's Quantum Dragon card. And I don't have any synchro tuners in this deck. Also, here's I picked I picked something else up, guys. Let's find it. Well, nuts. Can't find what I'm looking for. No. Huh. Oh well. So we're gonna tune tomorrow night, maybe even Sunday for the review / opening. Because it is gonna be very cool, very awesome, and I'm excited. And also, guys, if you want me to do if you want me to build my gunpla on camera, then let me know in the comment section down below. Because it'll probably be a live stream, just because it could probably take up to maybe a few hours. I'll probably just build it off camera and then put it and then review it. Yeah. If you want to know what gunpla I bought, you're going to wait and see. But as for what else I bought yesterday, I will give you a hint. It's got something to do with the Nintendo Switch. And fuck it, I'm just gonna tell you. I bought Team Sonic Racing. And I love that game. So come Wednesday, when we're waiting for the, come Wednesday when I do the reaction video to the Pokemon Direct, we might be playing some Sonic Racing. We might be playing some Team Sonic Racing. Not the story mode. Just like a Grand Prix, or just a regular race. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And before I read this, I gotta go through. Before I read this, I totally forgot what all transpired. So I'm going to reread 1, 2, and 3, and then get to this one. Then give 4 a good read. Then I'm going to order 5, and then when those are out, that's when I'm going to order the rest of them. Because I'm going to touch Archive manga since I got the first 3, and I am so far behind. So it's so bad that I actually forgot what all transpired. But once guys, if you do want to build my gunpla on camera, then that's probably not. Again, it probably will be a live stream, so you can build it, or I'll probably just build it off camera while watching Ghost for Teen Titans, and then I will pause what I'm watching and review it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!